Do you smell something burning near the escalator?
Where's Leo? Dad, I can't see Leo anywhere!
He's gone. David, I lost his hand!
Leo! Leo! Follow my voice.
Here, Leo. Keep this whistle in your pocket today.
A whistle? Dad, can we go to the mall this weekend?
That's already the plan. Sophia booked the tickets.
We'll get ice cream at the mall on Saturday.
Stay close to me at recess today, okay? I always stay close. Mostly. Kind of. Good morning, class.
Please open your books now.
Leo, you always share your snacks at lunch. Sharing is the best part of having snacks. Danish, is that a brand new car today? My dad only buys the newest ones now. This drone costs more than your whole house. Whoa, can it really fly that high? Your family can't afford things like this. We don't need to buy things to be happy. Where did you even find those old shoes? Why does Danish always say things like that? Being unkind just makes them think they look strong. Tissues, please. Only a small coin each. Careful there. Let me help you cross safely. One day I want to sit in a real classroom. You'd probably be the smartest one there, Rehan. Hi! I like how kind you are today. Watch this fly higher than anything you've seen. Wow! Get away from us with your dirty tissues. Stay down there where you belong. That wasn't fair. Someone should say something now. Wait, Leo. Let's see what happens next. Let's go. He's not worth our time. I know. That really wasn't fair to watch. I wish I had helped him pick them up. I'm bringing my whistle just in case, Anna. In case of what exactly, Leo?
Everyone buckled? The mall opens in 10 minutes.
I already know exactly what I'm eating first.
This mall
Is even bigger than I remembered.
4 tickets for the 2 o'clock showing, please.
Everyone smile together, right on the count of 3.
This mall always has the newest things first. Are we still getting lunch at the food court? Only if they have the good burger stand. This is officially the best mall day ever.
All units, we have a situation in the main food court.
Do you smell something burning near the escalator? Everyone up! We need to move now! Stay right beside me. Don't let go of my hand.
Please move calmly toward your nearest exit now. Keep moving forward! We're almost at the doors!
Leo, hold on to my hand!
Where's Leo? Dad, I can't see Leo anywhere.
He's gone. David, I lost his hand!
Leo!
Daddy, where are you?
Anna, hold on to me. We have to keep moving to the exit doors.
Hello? Is anyone there? Keep moving through the doors! Do not stop for any reason! Leo! Can you hear me? Leo!
I need to see if they got out.
You can't go in there, son. It's dangerous.
I know a service way in from deliveries.
Fire Captain, a boy here knows a way in. Show me exactly where this boy is standing. How do you know about this service door?
I watch the delivery trucks here every day. This corridor leads straight toward the food court.
We're taking the service route. Move now, team.
Go left, then straight toward the food court. Leo! If you can hear me, stay calm.
Fire and rescue! Call out if you're here!
That's the same voice from the traffic signal. Leo! Leo!
Wait. Did anyone else hear that whistle sound? There! That way! Quickly, quickly! Got him! I've got the boy right here.
The tissue boy called me. I heard him. You found him! Is he really gonna be okay?
There you go, buddy.
Thank you. I'm okay now. I really want my mom.
See him! He's right over there!
I'm here. I'm here now, Leo.
Oh, thank goodness. Thank goodness you're really safe.
I'm so sorry I let go of your hand. It wasn't your fault. I'm okay, Anna. Promise.
Wait, is that the boy from the traffic signal?
That's him. That's the boy I pushed down. Danish, why are you being so quiet now?
You may have saved my son's life today.
I'm really sorry for pushing you that day. Thank you for saying that. I forgive you. That was really brave of Danish to say. Maybe we could actually be friends sometime, Rehan.
That boy deserves so much more than tissues, David.
I've been thinking about that exact thing too.
Can we help Rehan go to school with us? We could give him my old school supplies. I want to help pay for his uniform, too. I've never actually walked through gates like these.
Welcome to our school, Rehan. We're glad you're here. Please welcome our newest student, Rehan, today.
You're gonna love it here, we promise. Thank you for helping me with this homework. That's what friends are supposed to do, Rehan. You can keep these books. For as long as you need. Try this part again. You're actually really close. This is officially the best afternoon of summer. I think I actually want to be a teacher.
We are so proud of you today, Rehan. Congratulations, Rehan. You've truly earned every bit of this.
That's my friend Rehan up there on stage.
One small kindness really can change everything.
Subscribe so you never miss our next story. Leave a comment. Tell us your favorite part.